Hey everyone, it's Shelley here, and we are about to check in at the Gaylord Palms Resort here in Kissimmee to check out how they're handling guest safety. Now we're gonna head over to check in, but if you did not want to do this, you can download the Marriott Bonvoy app and check into your room, as well as use your phone for a key to your door. They have social distancing markers down on the ground, as well as plexiglass dividers at every station. All right, so I am all checked in and ready to head up to my room, but first let's check out this gorgeous atrium. You'll see that there are signs up reminding you to wear your mask as well as to practice social distancing, but over here in Gator Springs, I don't think they saw that sign. It doesn't look like they're social distancing to me. Let's go up to the room and check it out. Made our way up to our floor. We're gonna hang it right here to get to our room. But while we are on our way, I thought I would share one extra thing about staying at the Gaylord Palms right now, and that is that housekeeping isn't going to come every night. They're gonna come as you need them. So down at check-in, if you wanna just let them know that you're already needing some extra towels or linens, you can save yourself a call. Oh, I see our room. We are staying in the Emerald Bay side of the hotel, and we do have a view of the atrium. Let's take a quick look around the room. You've got your bathroom area here with two sinks. Again, one of my favorite features of a hotel room here at the Gaylord Palms are these two sinks, because it makes getting ready in the morning way easier. You have your oversized tub and bathroom set up. Then you've got over here, you've got your closets. Pretty normal. You can connect most of these rooms here. We have a double queen bedroom. Also a great feature is this full-length mirror. Super nice. You have your water bottles that are included with your room, these two water bottles. You have your safe and your fridge. You've got 6 drawers right here. And you'll see that the remote isn't bagged here, but they said that they clean them. They just don't bag them. You've got your desk set up, and then over here on the nightstand, you have some hand sanitizer and some hand sanitizer wipes in case you want to wipe anything down. And the best part about one of these atrium view rooms is, of course, the view. So let's open these up. Take a look outside. We have our 2 chairs out here on the balcony, and here's the atrium. And now that I'm in my room, I can take my mask off. I'm really excited to explore everything that the Gaylord Palms